Space, vast, mysterious, and full of wonders that challenge everything we think we know about the universe. From black holes to the nature of time, space constantly surprises us, defying our understanding of physics and pushing the boundaries of imagination. What if I told you that some of the most accepted theories about space are completely wrong? What if everything you thought you knew about the cosmos was just the tip of the iceberg? In this video, we will uncover unbelievable space facts that will not only blow your mind but also change the way you see the universe forever. Get ready to have your mind stretched as we dive into astonishing discoveries that challenge the very laws of nature and reveal a universe far stranger than we could have ever imagined. Buckle up, because you're about to embark on a journey that will redefine the way you think about space and everything in it. The Diamond Planet. In 2004, astronomers made a groundbreaking discovery that would change our perception of the universe. They found a planet called 55 Cancri e, located about 40 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Cancer. What made this planet so extraordinary? It was believed to be made largely of diamond. Twice the size of Earth, 55 Cancri is a rocky planet with extreme temperatures and pressures that could transform carbon into diamond. The discovery of this diamond planet shook up what we knew about planetary formation. Scientists believe that the planet's extreme conditions might have created vast amounts of diamond-like material beneath its surface. Imagine a planet where the mountains could be made of precious gems and the ground glittered with diamonds. 55 Cancri is just one of many exoplanets out there, but it represents a whole new frontier in our understanding of how diverse and surprising the universe can be. With each discovery, we realize that space holds mysteries far more incredible than we could have ever imagined. Time slows down near a black hole. One of the most mind-boggling concepts in the universe is the idea that time can actually slow down, and it all happens near a black hole. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity affects time itself. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time passes. This phenomenon, known as gravitational time dilation, has been proven through various experiments and observations, but the most extreme case occurs near a black hole. A black hole is a region in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. At its center is the singularity, a point where the curvature of spacetime becomes infinite. The closer you get to this singularity, the more extreme the effect of time dilation. If you were to approach a black hole, you would experience time moving much slower compared to someone far away from it. This means that if you spent what felt like a few minutes near the event horizon, the point of no return, years could pass outside. In fact, time slows down so dramatically near a black hole that, from an outside observer's point of view, you would appear to freeze in time as you approach the event horizon. It's as if you're stuck in a loop, suspended in time, while the rest of the universe continues to move forward. This mind-altering concept challenges our basic understanding of time, revealing that it is not as absolute as we once thought. Time is flexible, depending on where you are in relation to powerful gravitational forces like those of a black hole. In essence, black holes not only warp space, but also twist and stretch the very fabric of time itself, proving that the universe is far stranger than we could have ever imagined. The universe is expanding faster than expected. For decades, scientists believed that the universe was expanding at a constant rate, or possibly slowing down over time due to gravity. However, in 1998, two independent teams of astronomers made an astonishing discovery that shattered this belief. They found that the universe is actually expanding faster than expected. This groundbreaking revelation was a game-changer, revealing that something mysterious and invisible is driving this accelerated expansion. The culprit behind this unexpected acceleration is a force known as dark energy. Dark energy is an unknown force that is believed to make up about 68% of the universe. It is responsible for pushing galaxies apart at an increasing rate, counteracting the force of gravity, which would otherwise slow down the expansion. Despite making up the majority of the universe, dark energy remains one of the biggest mysteries in cosmology. In recent years, scientists have been able to measure the rate of expansion more accurately using tools like the Hubble Space Telescope and supernova observations. These measurements confirm that the expansion rate is increasing at an accelerated pace, leading to more questions about the nature of dark energy. Is it a constant force, or is it changing over time? How does it interact with space and matter? These questions are still unanswered, but the discovery has opened up entirely new avenues for exploring the cosmos. This accelerated expansion challenges our fundamental understanding of physics and the structure of the universe. It suggests that the universe is not a static entity, but is in a constant state of change, constantly expanding at an accelerating rate. As our knowledge of dark energy grows, we may discover that the universe is far more dynamic and mysterious than we could have ever imagined. The star made of antimatter. In the vast expanse of the universe, scientists have encountered many surprising phenomena, but one of the most perplexing discoveries involves a star made of antimatter. In 2015, astronomers discovered a star, CTB 102, located around 22,000 light-years from Earth, that appeared to contain significant amounts of antimatter. This star, unlike any other, has left scientists questioning everything they knew about the nature of stars and antimatter. Antimatter is a substance composed of particles that are the opposite of regular matter. For example, an antiproton has a negative charge, opposite to the positive charge of a regular proton. When matter and antimatter meet, they annihilate each other in a burst of energy, a process that has long been a mystery to scientists. So, finding a star made of antimatter is a shocking discovery because it implies that in certain regions of space, antimatter could exist in large amounts without immediately annihilating itself. CTB 102's unusual properties suggest that it might be a type of pulsar, a rotating neutron star that emits intense radiation. But what sets it apart is its ability to emit particles of antimatter without being destroyed by them. This discovery challenges the long-held assumption that antimatter cannot exist in large amounts without being wiped out in contact with matter. It also raises new questions. How did this star form? Could there be other stars made of antimatter in distant parts of the universe? The discovery of a star made of antimatter opens the door to a range of possibilities that we previously thought were the stuff of science fiction. If antimatter can exist naturally in the universe, it could have profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos and even for future energy technologies, as antimatter is one of the most powerful sources of energy known to man. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about the fundamental building blocks of the universe, revealing that the cosmos is far stranger and more complex than we ever imagined. We might not be alone. For centuries, humans have gazed at the stars and wondered if we are truly alone in the universe. With advancements in space exploration and the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, scientists are increasingly optimistic that the answer may be no. In fact, there are potentially billions of habitable planets in our galaxy alone. By studying the habitable zone, the region around stars where liquid water can exist, researchers have identified many Earth-like planets that could support life. As telescopes become more advanced, the search for extraterrestrial life is intensifying. We may one day discover that we're not the only intelligent beings in the cosmos, and that alone could change everything we know about our place in the universe. The universe is full of mind-blowing mysteries that constantly challenge everything we thought we knew. From diamond planets and time-warping black holes to the strange force of dark energy, antimatter stars, and the possibility of extraterrestrial life, the cosmos is far more complex and extraordinary than we can imagine. As we continue to explore the unknown, one thing is certain: the universe will always have secrets waiting to be uncovered, and we're just beginning to scratch the surface. Stay curious, because the next big discovery could change everything once again.